Let's see about it. Let me see. Mm, Creo que está muy ruidoso. Really, really loud. I try to fix it. Since this was really loud motor. Really hear the here anyway. Necesito al otro triángulo. Mm, Un momento tu desarmador. Un momento. Hello, Ronnie. How you doing, Ronnie? Um, Hi, Caden. Caden. Oh, someone's calling. I don't want to answer the phone at this moment. Hi, big buffers. Second floor. Done. I guess I'm going to take the call from trying to I6 small wheels. How you guys doing? To fix this really noisy, loud model. Grande call? So in the meantime, at the same time, I will answer some questions. What the director's talking about? This one. Okay, I need to be quiet. Okay, now come on. So what's up, guys? Oh, thank you, Caden Taylor. Yeah, I'm. You know what? I'm trying to adapt several times. There's different ways to do this, but I am very, very busy. So I just started to live streaming. I hope every day, one or twice a day. We are working on so many models. So at the same time, I will answer some questions or ideas or something you have to say. I will definitely will answer. See, when these gears come loose really easily, that's when you notice that they're making noise. Also, if gear the gear is stuck but still making noise, this is the problem. This gear is the one causes the noise model. So I'm gonna put a new one. The other one really terrible gear. Yeah, I gotta fix this green salty. And on the other table, my girlfriend working. Well, she should be fixing it. I don't know what she's doing. You have Trackmasters, Caden? That's great. How many do you have, Caden? Bling, I think I have some videos how to change the axles on this the gears. I don't recall. I have over 1,000 videos on YouTube. Yeah, they should be there. I think. Okay, just few problems. Okay, just few problems. Says Caden. Caden. Sorry if I might mispronounce. Spanish guy. He's trying to. Pásame la grasa. Gracias. I don't know. I think it's in Arabic. Arabic. Your name on YouTube. Asking me if I can do Alfred in blue. Yes, I will try. See, I used three engines to do that model. This combination of Emily. Let me see what else. I think it was Henry. Is that garbage in the inside of the gearbox? So I don't recall the other one. I used to do those for sale on eBay. Oh yes, the face of Edward. I used that one to make Alfred. Not anymore, but I will start making some customs again since we are now focusing on our channel. What you doing, girl? She's doing nothing at this moment. She's paused. Okay, so yes, I will begin to do some customs. Actually, I'm working on another custom as we speak. Not with me, but it's on hi Mr. Gray. I have one of those on drying. The paint is drying. It's going to be green, and it's female character. Trackmaster 2. It's not Trackmaster 1. Try to use Trackmaster 2 sometimes. Well, that one was cheap, so it wasn't expensive. Noisy. Hi, Mr. Gray. Okay. Nice. Well, aquí está. Okay, Caden Taylor. I have this I have this new site. I'm working. I'm trying to upload some items for sale. This is what happens when you don't clean the gears. If it's not noisy, I don't know. Sometimes it makes a little noise. So, anyways, so you guys out of school now? Are you guys off? I mean, are you done with the classes today? Are you still on classes? I think in California there are some kids still on school at this time. You have Caden said Taylor does have talking Gordon that doesn't talk. Try to see if I mean if it runs, then that means the speaker wire is cut, or you can try to let me see replace the speaker. If you see some these old toys that have speaker and all those toys use the same speakers. Maybe oh, este, uh, so you can use a speaker from another model, toy, maybe a doll or something that you can use. Devon the side. I know with this model. No, it needs to some more time of. Okay, tinkering trains and reviews it. I have a talking James that completely stopped working, but I think it's coming from the tender, so that will need to be replaced. Tender. What do you want? Your phone. I don't know where's your phone at. So let me see what else. What's next? I'm gonna fix this. I need a copy. Chowder, there is no way to fix. I mean, you can put some tape. I don't recommend. It's going to be. You're gonna need later, sooner or later, soldering iron to do that fix. It's cheap. If you live here in the US, it costs about $7 or $4. One of those older items. If you live in another country, I don't know. The Golden Wagon. You speak Spanish? Oh, yeah, that's rare here in the US. I mean, if you are here in the US, I don't know if you are in another country, like Latin America, then it's not rare. Él también tiene como grasa acá. Hey, shoulder. What else? ¿Tiene baterías nuevas? Necesita más baterías para estas. ¿Esta no es la que traía, no? No, necesita baterías nuevas. ¿Tienes ahí? So she finished fixing the talking Toby, but it's talking Toby that came with the batteries. Those batteries are dead. Okay, tinkering trains. Yeah, I'll check your channel. Hello, XD. XD, try to speak English here if you are. Okay, the Golden Wagon say, oh, they're rare. You can find none on these days. Okay, yeah, could be. The Thomas lover say, yes, the code here is the day that it was made. Very quiet, Toby. ¿Le cambiaste toda la batería? ¿Quitó toda la batería? Ya. Okay, okay, excelente. So she don't fixing that Toby. That's good. That's great. Okay, I'm gonna find my tools to fix this model. So I'll be back in a few minutes, guys. So I'm gonna end this live streaming for a minute or two, and I'll come back later with another live streaming. Gotta find my tool for this cordon. It's nice. The stickers are really good. Yeah, like I was saying, find the tools for. I don't have the tools on my hand. She's using the tools, and I need a soldering iron. Be back in a few minutes, guys.